Hello boys, welcome back to your maths class. Today we'll be doing subtraction by borrowing. Page 55, subtraction by borrowing preparation. Boys, open your textbook. 100 means 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. That means 10 tens. 10 rupees is made up of 10 coins of 1 rupee each. 100 rupees is made up of 10 notes of 10 rupee each. Therefore, 100 is equal to 10 tens. Now, the remaining numbers, from the remaining numbers, 100 we divide 10 tens and remaining hundreds we keep it together. 200s is equal to 110 tens. 300s is equal to 210 tens. 500s is equal to 400s and 10 tens. 400s is equal to 300s and 10 tens. 700 is equal to 600s and 10 tens. 600s is equal to how much, boys? 10 tens is kept separate. So what will be the answer? 500s, correct. So it will be 500s plus 10 tens. Okay, boys. Now, subtraction by untying a 10. Okay. 100 means 10 tens. Okay, therefore 100 means 10 tens. I've showed you in a diagrammatic form, so you remember it. 110 means 10 units. For example, 400s will be 300s and 10 tens. 400s can also be 9 tens and 10 units. Okay, boys, it can be divided into two forms. It can be either 300s and 10 tens. Okay, 300s and 10 tens, or that 110 you can break up into 10 units and remaining 9 tens and remaining 300s. Okay, you have to remember this format for subtraction now. Okay, subtract page 56. When we solve a subtraction sum, we always start from the units place. In the units place, first, if the first digit is smaller than the second digit, then you cannot subtract. Okay, you need to borrow 110 from the tens place. Okay, if you borrow 110 from here 110 is reduced, therefore you have to minus it from the number and write it on top. Okay, first you have to do this part. Okay, then you have to solve the sum. Okay, boys, now I have solved two examples for you here. First sum, 62 minus 27. 2 is smaller than 7, so you have to cut the 2, make it into 12. Okay, this 110 you have to bring it from 6. Therefore, when 1 is reduced from 6, you have to minus it and write the answer here. Okay, when you bring the 1 from here to the units place, so 1 becomes less, and therefore 1 you have to minus from 6. The answer is 5 and you write it on top, and here you get 12. 12 minus 7 will be 5 and 5 minus 2 will be 3. Okay, boys. Now, next sum, 73 minus 45. Now, you have to cut the 3, make it into 13. Cut the 7, make it into 6. 13 minus 5 will be 8 and 6 minus 4 will be 2. Same format, boys. Take the 1 from 7. Okay, minus it and write your answer 6, and then you subtract the sum. Here, I have already done for you. 81 minus 58, you cannot minus 8 from 1. So, you have to make it into 11, bring 1 from this 8. Okay, from the tens wala 8, and therefore that one is minus and 7 is written here. Minus 8 from 11, how much you get, boys? Answer is 3, 9, 10, 11. And 7 minus 5, the answer will be 2. Okay. The next page, boys, page number 57. Now, the same format. You have to start from the units place, but here hundreds is extra. Okay. Sorry, boys. So, what you have to do now? The same format, boys. If the first digit is smaller than the second digit, then you have to cancel, bring 1, 10 from the tens place, and here it is minused and the answer is written on top. Okay. Now, what is the twist? In case, see the second example, in case you cannot again minus, okay, the second number from this number, okay, so you have to again bring 1 from the hundreds place. Okay, boys, again bring 1 from the hundreds place. Okay, and therefore reduce the 1, minus the 1 from here and write it on top. That is the twist here. Okay, boys, when you solve it in your textbook, do it very slowly, because many children tend to do mistakes here. Okay, this is a little confusing, but you all are smart boys and you all love maths, so you all do it very slowly. You will understand this concept. Okay, again I will repeat it. If there is a smaller number, okay, first number is smaller, second number is big in units place, you have to cut it, bring the 1, 10 from the tens place, okay, and minus it from the number here and write it on top. In case again, if you cannot subtract the second 10 number from the first 10 number, you bring the 100 from this side, okay, and put it together with the number, and then you have to minus that 1 again from this number and put it on top. And now you subtract the sum. So 11 minus 8 will be 3, 6 minus 3 will be 3, and 2 minus 1 will be 1. Second sum, 654 minus 56. You have to make the 4 into 14. 4 minus 6, 8. 14 minus 5, 9. And 5, you will bring it down because here there is nothing. Okay. Again, this sum, same thing. 731 minus 248. You have to cut the 1, make it into 11. 11 minus 8 will be 3 again. And when you bring the 1 in the units place, your 3 minus 1 will be 2. But you cannot subtract 4 from 2. So you have to make it 12. And here you have to minus that 1. Okay. 7 minus 1 and make it 6 here. So 12 minus 4 will be, yes, take 12 in your boys, you have to you cannot take 12 in your hands, so start counting backwards. Okay, 12, 13, take 4 on your hand, 12, 11, 12, 11, 10, 9. Okay, so you get 9. So after 9, how much remains, boys? Then you will get the answer. Okay, so after 9, which number you get? 8. That is the answer. This is how you count backwards for subtraction. 6 minus 2, this you can take on your fingers. 6 remove 2 and you get answer 4. If you cannot take from your fingers, boys, then you count backwards. Okay, same with 15. 15 count backwards. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Okay, after 8, what answer do you get? 7. Sorry, what number you get? 7. That is your answer. Okay, boys. 12 minus 5 will be again 7. Okay, same with here, 12 minus 5, you have to start counting behind. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Okay. You have to take 5 in your hand and start counting till 8. Then next number you get is 7. That is the answer. Okay. Now the next sums, boys. 567 minus 249. Okay. What you do is here. Cancel it, boys. Okay. Write 17. When you take 1 from here, you again minus it from the tens place. Okay, boys. And then you write 5. Okay. Now you can minus 4 from 5, so it is easy. Okay. 17 minus 9, you have to count again backwards. 17, 16. First you have to take 9 in your hand. Okay. Then count backwards. 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. Okay. Then what answer you get, boys? 8. That is the answer. 5 minus 4, 1. And 5 minus 2, 3. Okay. So this is the answer. Again you cancel the 0. Okay. And you have to make it into 10, boys. Okay, you have to make it into 10, and from the when you bring the 1 here, so you have to minus 1 from here and make it into 4. So 10 minus 5 will be 5, and 4 minus 4 will be 0. 6 minus 6 will be again 0. Okay. Now same thing here, boys. Cut the 5, make it into 15. Okay. And cut the 7, make it into 6. Okay. You cannot minus 9 from 6. So again, you have to take, borrow from the hundreds place. Okay, boys? Okay. When you borrow 1 from hundreds place, here it becomes 6. Okay. And now you subtract. Okay, boys? Next. Next again 680 minus 154. Okay. Again 0, you have to cut it, and make it into 10. Then 8, you have to again cut and make it into 7, because 1 you have taken to make that 10. And cut the 6 and make it into 5. Okay. Fine, boys. Now make it 10. This you have to cut and make it 7. Oh, okay. This you don't need to cut, boys, because you can subtract 5 from 7. Okay. So 6 minus 1 will be 5. Subtract 4 from 10, 5 from 7, and 1 from 6. Okay. I hope you will be able to solve these sums. I don't want to do it for you because I want you to solve the subtraction sums. Okay. Now, here there is a little more twist, because mostly all the sums all the borrowing sums, you need to start the borrowing from units place. Okay. When you do the borrowing in the units place, and if there is a 0 in between, some sums you don't need to borrow for units place, but many sums you need to borrow in units place. If you need to borrow in units place, you need the 1 from here, and if there is a 0 in tens place, then that 0 you have to convert into 10. Take that 1 from the hundreds place, but that 10 again you have to convert into 9, because from this 10 you're taking the 1 in units place. You have understood, boys? I'll repeat again. Okay, try to understand. Open your page 58 and I'll try to explain you. 205 minus 6, the first sum on your page 58. Okay, when you need to do the borrowing here, you have to cancel the 5, make it into 15. Now to make it 15, you have to take the 1 from this 0. 0 has no value, boys. You have to make 0 into 10. To make the 10, again you have to take the 1 from the hundreds place. Okay, and make it 10, and of course you have to reduce the 1 here. Okay, minus the 1 here and write the number on top. After you do this, after you make this 10, again you have to cancel and make it 9, because from this 10 you have taken the 1 here. Understood, boys? Okay, I hope you have understood this. Okay, and then you subtract the sum. Okay, so 205 minus 6, cut 5, make it 15. 15 minus 6, 9. Then 0, make it 10. Then that 10, make it into 9. And then 9, bring it down. And 2, make it into 1 and 1 down. Same with all the sums, boys. 300 minus 95. 0 is made into 10. Again, middle 0 is made into 9. And 3 is made into 2. Okay. 10 minus 5, 5, 9 minus 9, 0, and 2 minus 2, 2. 7